Hello children, welcome back to our EVS class. So last class we studied about plants. Plants, our green friends. So last class we discussed about plants and I already discussed that why they are called as our friends, green friends. Because of their color, they are called our green friends. So they are really like a friend to us. Why? Because there are a lot of uses of plants. In our daily life, plants help us a lot. We studied the parts of plants in the last class. Which are the important parts of a plant? Yes, stem, then root, leaves, buds, flowers, branches, fruits and seeds. So these are the important parts of a plant. So each part have their own function also. And which part is known as the kitchen of a plant? Yes, that is leaves. Leaves is known as the kitchen of a plant. So because plants preparing the food in the leaves. So now we can check the uses of plants. We already said that they are known as our green friends. So there are some reasons are there because of that reason they are known as our green friends. So there is a lot of uses. So now we are going to discuss a few. So plants are useful to us. Plants are the main source of our food. So what is the main use? They are very useful to us. The main use is they are the main source of our food. So every day we are eating different kinds of food items. We are eating chapati, dosa and rice. So many types of food items we are eating. All the food items main source is plants. So from the plants we are getting wheat, rice, then many kinds of vegetables, fruits, cereals, everything. So plants are the main source of food. So that is the main use of plants. So now we can check another uses. So first one, plants gives us fruits and vegetables. So every day we are eating different kinds of fruits. We are eating apple, banana, and then guava. So many kinds of fruits are there. So from where we are getting all these fruits? From the plants. And the vegetables also. Every day we are using vegetables. We are using different types of vegetables like carrot, then radish, carrot, radish, then many kinds of vegetables we are using. Tomato, onion. So all these are mainly we are getting from the plants. So from the plants we are getting fruits and vegetables. Plants gives us fruits and vegetables. Next is what? Plants gives us wood to make furniture. So in our home and in our school also we can see different types of furnitures. Like furniture means table, chair, desk, benches. So these are all, they are known as furniture. So they are all made up with the wood. So from where we are getting this wood? From the plants. So from the plant we are getting wood also for making furniture. So now we studied two uses. So first one, plants gives us fruits and vegetables. Second one, plants gives us wood to make furniture. Furniture means table, chair, cot. These are the examples. Now we can check the another use. Do you know this which plant this one? Yes, we studied about cotton clothes in one chapter. Which time we are using cotton clothes? In which time? Yes, in summer time. In summer time it is very hot. At that time we have to use cotton clothes. So actually from where we are getting that cotton? From the cotton plant. So plants gives us cotton to make clothes. So the source of cotton is from a plant that is known as cotton plant. So for making clothes we have to depend on cotton plant. Then did you ever see this bird, woodpecker? Yes, woodpecker. It is woodpecker. So the plants give shelter to some animals also. We all know that birds are making small holes on the branches of trees and they are making their shelter there. So plants gives shelter to animals also. And not only birds, some other animals also like squirrels. So they give shelter to the animals. So now we studied two more uses. Plants gives us cotton to make clothes. The next one, plant gives shelter to animals. Many animals are living on the plants also. So, the plants are giving shelter to them for birds and also for animals. Now, we can check another use. Some plants are used in medicines also. Some medicines in our home also, some medicines are easily available. So, in our home some plants like neem, tulsi, they are also used as medicines. So, plants have some medicinal property also, neem, mint, tulsi. So, these are examples for plants using as medicines. So, plants are used in medicines also. Next use is plants provide cool shade during hot days. So, when we are traveling, we can see that on the sides of the road there is a lot of trees are there. So, why we are planting more trees? For getting cool shade. Then plants provide food to animals also. We are getting the food from the plants. At the same time, animals also getting food from the plants. Plants provide food to animals also. So, today we studied the uses of plants. So, plants are very useful to us, and plants are the main source of food, and plants gives us fruits and vegetables. Plants gives us wood to make furnitures. Then plants gives us cotton to make clothes. Then plants give shelter to animals. Some plants are used as medicines also, used in medicines. Then plants provide cool shade during hot days. Plants provide food to animals. So, these are the important uses of plants. So, now we can check the assignment. So, first question, how are plants useful to birds and animals? How are they useful to birds and animals? Yes, plants give shelter and food to animals. The plants give shelter and food to animals. Second question, why are plants called our friends? Why they are called our friends? Yes, plants are called our friends because they are very useful to us. We are getting food from the plants, we are getting clothes, cotton from the cotton plants, and we are getting wood to make furniture. They are also available from the plants. So many uses for the plants. So, because of these uses, plants are called our friends. So, you have to write this question and answer in your notebook. How are plants useful to birds and animals? Plants give shelter and food to animals. Second one, why are plants called our friends? Plants are called our friends because they are very useful to us. So, write the question and answer in your notebook, and also read the lesson 3 times. So, we will see in the next class. Thank you.